It's like she don't want to leave. No matter what a man do, she don't want to leave. Him and the girl down there. So if they start about him and the man there, him and her down there. You need to come down now and stop the fuckery. And yeah, nobody never catch me on nobody bed. There's a screenshot of my leg on the bed and something. So we didn't have fuck. And I like to do that fuck. Cause in a clothes. After somebody take it down, send it go give her. She start make one bag of friggin' knife. We get up and we go out at the shop. Go sit down out at one bar. One game shop. Go play 2 Mortal Kombat. Kiss me feet. So fuck you. That's it. You have to give
Alright, hold on.
So, send me a PUBG ID.
Hold on, TT, I hear me?
Yeah.
Somebody say, TT, you were on the bed, so don't lie. Which part of
I
the
don't like me say me did up on the bed and you take one picture of my leg. Me never say me.
So hold on. So how is that, baby man? Which part
Somebody screenshot.
Uno did there?
Put it up on his
If baby mother come catch you know.
In the shop, sit down and play a game.
Theme shop or in mother shop? Which?
A brownstone who did there.
Bro, one random shop.
Yeah, one shop across from the house.
Yes, you're quiet, I just sit down and read.
Alright.
So, too much, you know, you look up comment section.
So the shop not they know when you're in yard or no?
No, it across the road.
Cross the road from the house.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Which part him stay?
Eh?
Which part him stay? With him mother or him baby mother?
Him mother.
Him mother.
That night there, we left and got the mother house because she created excitement and she had something. So we leave and got the mother house.
Somebody say him
Yeah, so why she had do that? If you don't know, why she had text it for you? Yes, him wrong. She can me up at the house where our furniture them there.
So
It was a crisis. Yeah,
well, damn.
I got a furniture.
Me bum Yo, Kiss, you hear me?
Hold on.
No, the youth furniture them the up at the mother house.
Theme furniture. Okay, so wait.
Oh, so wait, you have a room in my mother house.
Yeah, the reason why me can't talk certain things here because the most me I say I may cause problem. I only can talk off the ear.
Terrible area in Harlem. Oh, Theo, that's so sweet.
Me only can talk off the ear because me can't take a problem right now.
Bro, everybody know everything.
Nothing started right there.
Your business
Yeah,
there all
but I
over.
just say me
Right there.
Him live with him baby
What's this,
mother.
117?
It sound like him live
No,
with him
we are
mother.
talking, we are
Baby
talking.
mother.
111.
So him basically no live now.
112, right?
Wanna come now answer this now? But
Yeah, right
answer that now. Answer
Well,
that.
it
Answer
sound
that.
like him live with him baby mother and him mother. So it sound like him not live now because people are saying
Jay, what go on?
yeah, say him live with him mother. You see me? Other people are saying him live with him mother. Him not own nothing.
There's a lot of bubble quality is happening here.
Fuck. Why the people them come up in the box with them for you know?
You see me?
Aye.
So I just try understand the whole the fullness of the situation.
Yo, Senju, you hear me? Somebody said TT too lie over here, you know.
Yeah, bro, them I got always say TT too lie, but may I try understand the fullness of the situation. The conclusion.
I don't know about me a lie. Me never tell a lie.
Boy, pain, what good?
Who name
It was a film
The reason why them always
also.
say that me a tell lie because they want me to tell them
Hold on.
exactly
Hold on.
this Sankara that
Hold
and
on,
then they gone
Senju.
over Annie and tell Annie say me
When
a
I
chat.
send you, the person said, ask her why she not
That's
at the dinner. The mother-in-law.
So hold on.
No.
So wait.
I was supposed to go.
The shop.
To that situation then.
The
that
person say, ask
situation
her
then.
why the baby mother gets invited and not she.
Him also go live with
Because she
TT.
wants to see her grandpicky them.
So hold on. So when them catch her in at the shop, what the girl did I do? Come link him.
Bumbo clock. No, sir.
When she catch him in at the shop, I link she gonna link him.
Have a solution to the problem, TT. I have the solution to the problem.
The
If you
grandkids
want the mother love you, go
Hold
breathe.
on, TT. The person say you want to fight the girl. Thank you, Tia.
First of
Yes, she always
When you want to fight the girl,
Dragga have no
how the
house.
bumbo clock.
So wait, well I still not understand the whole catch a shop thing, you know. Because she come catch you no a shop. A link she go link him.
guys.
Nobody up on the tennis court.
Start it after here, please. Because we can't take it.
This is where the boy live with his mother. Because how the hell?
Boy,
Yeah.
fooling me.
Some great friends of Mike.
When you let me
say,
which and get my side of the story, come on.
I'm good, brother.
When I sit up, me just a read.
Good, like, how you
Listen, I can't talk.
I feel like a Dragga she go link and catch TT and say
Be a fella,
after the
TT.
baby mother
Up at the
cuss
mother
and
house.
run
Listen,
them.
Jesus Christ. Up at the mother house, Dragga tell her, say, you want space
Run
and you
them,
want
they go.
time to think about
What?
yourself.
Be the same fella.
After the baby mother cuss and run them, they go at him mother yard cause he had nowhere else. So him did live with him baby mother first, and because him find out say him mother find out say yo no him did wait. Him did live with him baby mother first, and the baby mother find out about TT, so she run him out of the yard, so him start live with him mother.
No go subtle blood. Why them people stay so live? And then they gone over and